Hello, we are trying to work out how to use the drone today. This is a DJI Mini Pro 4 and I'm just checking that I brought all the right stuff. And the biggest confusion for me actually was these things here, and I was like, oh no, I've lost the holes. So then I carefully read the manual, which was quite a good idea, and it says here, take out the installed control sticks. Well, I haven't got them. I thought I'd lost them in the box. And then, oh, they're down here on the bottom. So take them out here, like so. 1, 2. And then we, which way round? Screw them in, like so. Each one, nice and firm. So now we've done that. Now it says connect mobile device to remote controller unit. I suppose what it means by my remote control device is my phone. So where's the cable? I couldn't find the cable. Panic not. Cable there. There we go. Take that out. Thankfully that fits my phone perfectly. Otherwise I would be in trouble. And we plug that in like so. And it's pairing. And I suppose I put that in underneath here like that. This is where I hope I don't blow up my phone and this rather expensive drone. Right, done that one. Next, connecting mobile device to remote control. Oh, it's not on. Turn it on. There we go. Yeah, right. Press power on and then press and hold it again to power on remote controller. Oh, it peeped. Yay, I think that's good. Okay, it's done that. Right, okay, now we take the drone, the frog. We still need a name. Please, can you give it a name? And we need a name for the frog. Best names we will use for Mr. Frog, who's currently nameless. And we put it in like so, and then this one, that. There we go. Oh, what have I done? I pressed the button. Unable to connect to craft. Unfold the front and rear arms. Remove the gimbal protector. Is this the gimbal protector? That means taking off his face. Oh, there we go. Okay. Slide the battery into the battery compartment. Already done. Press and hold the button to power on the craft. I don't know. Didn't do it. Press and hold. Oh, hold on. Sideways. Press and then press and hold. Press and hold. Oh my God, it moved. Oh my dear. Whoa. Okay, slide the battery into that. Yes, such it's found the craft. Right. Activate DJI device. Okay. Do you think this is a safe place to do this? On a coffee table. Somewhere. It's activating the device. Whoa, my God. I might have to move it. Activate DJI Care Refresh. Bind activation code. Activate. What does it say? I don't know. 2 replacements. Activate DJI Care Refresh. Activate. Successfully activated. There we go. So we're now. Oh, it's done it. It's all right on here. And now we're here on this part here, looking to go fly. SD card to switches. Switch storage location to confirm. Confirm. All right. Open area. I don't think here's a good idea. Should we go? Up here? I think up here. Don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna place it down here. Policies, pre-check flight, sufficient battery, start pre-flight check.
Perform a safety check before you fly.
Okay, what's up? Ensure all propellers are in good condition. Check whether they are installed correctly. Incorrect installation will cause the aircraft to roll over during takeoff. No. Check gimbal in aircraft. Check and ensure the gimbal protector is removed. Gimbal protector is removed. Well, these little sticker things, I think that should come off too, don't you think? Okay. There we go. That one's done. Unfold remote control antenna. And adjust the position of remote controller antennas in relation to the aircraft. Where are the remote controlled antennas? Emergency brake. That. Start tutorial. Oh my God, it's got a little image of it. Safety text the text above to view aircraft auto check. Yeah. Fly with caution, it says. Okay, no problem. Basic 2 operations. Here we go. Tap here to take off. Woohoo! I don't know what to record. It's flying. Okay, I think we've got the idea of this. How do I crash it? How do you emergency stop?
Landing.
Okay, I think we've got the gist of this. Okay, that's enough down here. I think we go up the hill, don't you?